11. Smoke detectors. Fire is dangerous. House fires kill many people. But there is something you can do about them. Get a smoke detector. Smoke detectors save lives. How? They tell you to get out of a burning house. Many house fires happen at night when people are sleeping. A fire starts slowly. First, there is smoke. A lot of smoke. It's actually the smoke that kills most people, not the fire itself. A smoke detector gives you an early warning about a fire. It makes a very loud noise when there is smoke. It wakes you up so you can get out of the house. That's how smoke detectors work. If you have a plan, you will know what to do. The most important thing is to get out of the house. Ask your parents to get a smoke detector. Ask them to practice what they would do if there is a fire.